Hello guys, myself Nidhi Kumrawat. Today is the solve column internal question. Iterative methods are superior to the elimination method where for write 4 disadvantage of Gauss elimination method and write 3 advantage of the Gauss-Seidel method. So now let's solve the question. Answer is both directive and iterative methods have their strength and weakness. Now Gauss elimination will lead to a solution in finite number of the step for any set of equations. Determinant of coefficient is not very small, so the disadvantage are the computational efforts is approximately 2n cube divided by 3 arithmetic operation in each elimination step, and second point is the amount of bookkeeping necessary is considerable, and third disadvantage is rounding error may become quite larger, particularly for L conditioned equation, and fourth disadvantage is any special structure in the matrix of coefficient is difficult to procedure during the elimination. Thus solving cannot be made in calculation if there are many zero coefficient. In the contrast to elimination method, iteration method may not always converge. In the contrast to elimination method, iteration method may not always convergence. In fact, convergence may be guaranteed only where special conditions. Iterative methods following the advantage here. So first advantage is computational efforts is approximately 2n2 cube 2 into n square arithmetic operations per iteration if it is significantly superior compared to the elimination method. And second advantage is another important advantage of iterative method is small rounding errors. The rounding errors begin the one committed in the last iteration. Thus, for the ill-conditioned system, an iterative method is a good choice. And in the third advantage is in Gauss-Seidel method will set xi equal to in the Gauss-Seidel method we set xi equal to the newly calculated value of iterable stored in the temp. Xi stores xi plus w temp minus xi. So it has been found in many problems that if v is given some intermediate values between the 0 and 1, so convergence of Gauss-Seidel method is faster. So here we can see the for disadvantage of Gauss elimination method and for 3 advantage of Gauss-Seidel method. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.